Hi, my name is Ted Rossdale. Chances are you heard of me. I used to be just Ted from procurement, but nowadays, they call me the man who brought in BricsCAD. In a way, things were much simpler back then. Summers were warm, winters were cold. Our designers only had 1 or 2 options for their software. Canceling your subscription simply meant you lost all your work. Nobody ever picked up the phone at any help desk. I had a small office in the cellar. Typically, it took me about 14 seconds to get from my moderately priced car to my office. Life was simple. But then, all hell broke loose.
Oh my God!
The reason? BricsCAD. I read about them. I ordered their CAD software. All of a sudden, designers had smiles on their faces. Morning, Carl. Love you, bro. Engineers stopped calling in sick. Revenue went through the roof. And it didn't take very long for people to find out who's responsible for all that. Indeed, yours truly. And so they all went, goodbye, Ted. Hello, man who brought in BricsCAD. That's how long it takes to gain immortal superhero status. 10 seconds. The time to place one software order. From my car to my office, 4 minutes and 38 seconds. This used to be a Timex, by the way. Now it's a Rolex. Life has changed. Now in hindsight, would I do it all again? Hell yeah.